Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Surf for Beginners, Lesson 9, the command verb, or al-amr in Arabic. The command verb is used to demand an act. The command verbs are formed in two ways, right? So the active voice of the first and third person. So which conjugation numbers are those? They will be the first six and for the third person, right? The first six, and for the first person is the last two. Okay, so the way they're formed is that you add a li to the beginning of the word, and remember li is one of the particles of jazm. Okay, so the last letter gets a sukun. Um, and the active voice conjugations of the second person command are created by now second person command. I'm sorry, second person is the middle six, right? So how are they formed? Basically, you put a sukun on the last letter, or you make it jazm, however that is for that specific conjugation. So you make that conjugation jazm, okay, and you replace the initial da. Remember we covered in the previous lesson that the fi'l mudari, the present tense verb, it's prefixed by either ya, ta, hamza, or noon, depending on the conjugation. So we replace that prefix ta with a hamza. Okay, we throw out the ta, we put a hamza with an alif there, and we put a kasra on it. Okay, so that's how it's formed for the second person. Now, to go from the emphatic to the emphatic command, the changes are similar to those mentioned previously, and by those I'm referring to these. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is for the first and third person emphatic command, right? There's going to be you throw out the lam with a fatha, because there's a lam with a fatha, right? You throw that out and you put the li in there. Okay, and just remember the noon at the end is going to have a shadda, right? Because it's emphatic, right? And the second person right here, the second person changes are similar. You follow the same steps, inshallah. And the only difference is you'll see that the noon at the end has a shadda. Okay? So, and that's what I mentioned here. So, jazakallah khair for watching. Inshallah, please go to the website for more practice, inshallah. And please do remember me in your du'as. Assalamu alaikum.